This Bluey Mini-Skit is called Bandit's new lawnmower.
Alright, Pat, can you hurry up with this lawnmower?
Because I'm pretty sure that half the plants that I'm seeing in front of my face right now aren't even grass.
Alright, Bandit, here you go.
No! 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 I am not cutting my lawnmower with that thing!
Wait, what do you mean by cutting your lawnmower?
Oh, man, I am not cutting my lawn with that thing!
Oh, what's wrong with it?
Like, literally, when you try to push it, look! The main part of the lawnmower literally fell off. It's literally just one little... It's... Just no! I'm not cutting my lawn! No!
Oh, but Bandit, you just gotta put it back on. See? Like this. Oh. See?
Where'd you even get that from?
Oh, I bought it online.
It cost like $400 or something? Pat, I know you just not just say $400.
Oh, yeah, I did say that.
Pat, I think you just got scammed. I'm sorry.
Oh, what are you talking about, Bandit? It looks completely fine to me. I mean, just listen to that engine roar.
See? It works. Can that thing even cut? Like any form or species of foliage at all?
I think it can.
Well, move it across there. See if it'll cut.
Oh, alright. Wow, alright, I'll do, I guess. Alright, here you go.
Hey, Pat, you forgot to turn it off. Well, there you go, Bandit. Enjoy your lawnmower. Might be a little bit deadly if it gets near to, like, really dense foliage, but yeah, it still works.